With comprehensive investment support and further promotion coming up with the PERTE program, it's finally confirmed that the Volkswagen Group would be ready to mobilize with the framework of our Fast Forward project. And now listen really carefully, more than 7 billion euros together with external suppliers.
I think to give everybody a sense of the scale of the project, the more than 7 billion euros the Volkswagen Group would mobilize for Future Fast Forward, I think would be the single largest industrial investment in Spanish history. And with Future Fast Forward, F3 as we call it, I think we have a unique chance to take this transformation even further to benefit not only Spain but also Europe.
The good work carried out within the company in 2021 and the sustainable improvements that were implemented provide us with an even better foundation from which we can further develop our company in 2022 and beyond.